For the record, this wasn't my idea. You all wanted me to do it, so here we are. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are in our witch's attic bedroom because I thought these minis were going to be like worms and spiders. You know, something perfect for Monster High. Trying to spoil my girl Cleo. But no, these are the grossest toys ever. It says so right here on the capsule. From Zuru 5 Surprise, the people who brought us mini brands, here are Mega Gross Minis. I picked these up at Target for $6.99 each. There are over 36 to collect, and I'm not sure about scale. Will these fit our 1/6 scale dollhouse? Let's find out. Let's pull the little zipper on the side. I did it without breaking it. Remove the plastic. It's a white capsule. We can open it up and there are smaller packages inside. One's a trash bag. Then there is a package of slime, a sticker, classic footlongs rot dog, real foot flavor. And a collector's guide. It looks like a trash can, and inside there are super rare moldy minis, stinky rares. Ugh. Personally, I don't need my toys to smell, just throwing that out there. Toxic glow rares. Then what I assume are the common minis. Looks like we have some pizza with eyeballs, maggots. So some of these might work with our Monster High dolls. Yeah? Oh, but then there's like puke and poo. Yeah, okay. And here are a few more on the back. There's a little note. We made these Zuru Mega Gross mini toys to be mega fun. They are a parody of all great products, including our own, and we hope they made you smile. Enjoy. So they kind of remind me of Wacky Package's minis, who brought us corn chips and pus pops. So yeah, this might be a little gross. May contain used Band-Aid juice, maggot butts, and old tissues filled with grandpa snot. You have been warned. Inside the plastic bag, there are more bags. We have 3. Let's open the first one. Inside, we have... stuff. Deadpool energy drink. Okay, and then this must be the drink. It's kind of flexible. There are bugs in it, but I think it's gotten a little bent in the packaging. In the collector's guide, it looks like this, but it's doing this. The scale is a little large. Let's try another one. This time we have, is that a mouse or a rat? Raw rat milk. And then there is a rat in the box. I don't know, do you think Torlai would like this? The details are pretty good. That little mouse or rat is coming out of this carton. We do see the cap, and there's like a little fur sculpted to his body. Here it is with a Barbie, and next to a G3 Cleo. The last one for this capsule is Starbucks. Oh wait, that is Star Barf coffee. Yep, there's stuff seeping out the top. That's kind of gross. And the scale on this one is pretty large. I would say smart doll size. So here are my minis from my first capsule. The scale does vary. The slime and sticker are counted as part of the 5 surprises. However, I could totally live without these. So if we're just looking for the minis at $6.99, they are $2.33 each. The giant trash bag is a cute detail, but I would gladly do without it to bring the price down. But I bought like 9, so we're committed. And we're gonna keep going. Opening our second capsule, hopefully we will find some that will work with our Monster High dolls. Here's my sticker and the minis. Our first mini is... oh, Webster's free-range tarantula eggs. I think this could totally be a Monster High mini. Whatever this goo is, it's kind of rubbery. But I'm sure Deuce could totally use these in the kitchen. Up next, we have a sneaker. Snotverse All Nasty. It's a dirty sneaker with bugs and yuckiness on the bottom. Our last one in this capsule is... oh, ew. It's actually fuzzy. It's a McMaggot burger. Ew, and the maggots are rubbery. Okay, so the textures alone, yuck. This is pretty large. However, we could probably try to make it work with our dolls. What do you say, Cleo? The details are definitely there, but it's gross. So that's capsule number 2. Oh, and I didn't even show you all of the details on the box. Wow. Capsule number 3. Here's the sticker and the minis. In the first bag, we have gory toes. Yep, those are toes. Well, you know, Goya is a zombie and she ate like brain puffs. So, oh wait, includes traces of zombie feet. Yeah, Goya might stay away from these. Moving on. Oh, wow. It's a double. Our first double of the day. Raw rat milk. As if doubles weren't bad enough, right? Here we have Unhappy Meal. Okay, it's kind of cool looking and it's filled with maggots, so we could probably use this. The maggots are squishy. On the side it says, McMaggots, I'm grubbing it. And there are some unhappy details on the back. Wow, they have lots of stuff from McMaggots. And there's a little maggot handle at the top. Capsule number 4. Here's the sticker and the minis. This is a double. We have another dead bull, but this time it's not lopsided. So I don't mind this double because we get a chance to see how it is supposed to look. And our next one is Bunch Pooloons. Okay. This one is a bag with foam inside. There is some fun reading on the back. The third mini from this capsule is... what? More rat milk? We now have 3. I think I'm good on the rat milk. Moving on to capsule number 5. We have a new sticker and minis. Our first one is Pickers instead of Snickers. Ew. And what gets me is that they're actually flexible. This is definitely not 1/6 scale, but I would love to see this level of detail in some home decor items. Just saying. McMaggots fries with maggots. I think all of the McMaggots products so far are totally Monster High friendly. They might be a little supersized, but I think it works. And I like that there's a couple of different products. Here is our last one from this capsule. And we have another maggot burger, but this one is not fuzzy. Wait a minute. Let's check the collector's guide. Our first one was a super rare moldy mini. How did I miss that? Oh wow, we got a super rare one and didn't even notice. I'll take it. My luck is changing, y'all. Capsule number 6. I really want to find the pizza, and I can't believe I'm even saying this. I'm getting desensitized to the grossness. Here's the sticker, and our first mini is a skateboard in ooze. And it looks like we have some maggots down there. Look at me talking like it's normal. Yeah, we have some maggots down there. Here we have... no. More poo balloons. I don't need these as doubles. Or are they just poo loons? Yeah, I'm saying that wrong. And our last one is another double. You know how I feel about doubles. But wait, This one's a different color than this one, so I guess we can say it's a different flavor of barf. Yuck. Capsule number 7. I really want the pizza. I feel like it would be perfect for Monster High. And here is our sticker. And our first mini is... No! I was trying to be cool when there was a different color. But now there's 3. And all I want is a little eyeball pizza. If those are even eyeballs. Here we have Sick Talk. It's like a cell phone in slime. It's a pretty large cell phone. And the last one for this capsule is a slimy coin. It's pretty heavy and metallic with slime on top. I am noticing that since the slime is flexible, sometimes it gets a little bent in the packaging. Opening capsule number 8. This is our second to last one. Here's the sticker. So hopefully we find the pizza. This is Gasco brand hot sauce. Cleo has been known to put hot sauce on her wraps, so we can use this. Next we have, I think this is the sushi. Unfresh is best. Ew, and you can see little bugs on it. The scale is pretty large, so maybe it's like a party tray. Here's the Foodie mini brand sushi for a little size comparison. And in this one, we have... Ew. Oh, I think it has a smell. Yeah, I'm not taking it out of that bag. If I can smell it through the bag, no. I have to congratulate Mini Brands on the details. Looks like we found one of the stinky rares. And to me, it's pretty stinky. I'm never opening this bag. Like, never. This is our last one. This has definitely been an experience. Creamy, milky, vermin goodness. Hopefully we will find the pizza this time, because these mega gross minis are actually kind of gross. And that's another coffee. We got 4. And yeah, there does seem to be 2 different colors. This is our second to last surprise. I don't think it's the pizza. Nope. It is a Rot Dog real foot flavor. There are a lot of details and those are squishy, and even the foot gives a little. Then the bone is a hard plastic, so I love the details. I just wish it was like a loaf of bread or something. And here is our very last one. And it is a double. We got more McMaggots fries. It's crazy how over the course of this video, saying McMaggots is no longer weird to me. Even though I know these were not designed for our dolls, I like the idea of using them with our Monster High dolls. However, I do wish that the scale was a little more compatible. Speaking of Monster High, I could use a little glam after all that gross. Here is the Cleo DeNile Monster High Skullimate Secrets Iridescent doll. It's the second Skullimate Secrets Cleo with a whole new look. Love the box art. On the back, we can see the other dolls offered in this collection, and that this toy has a water element. I bought this at Target for $29.99. We get a black plastic coffin storage unit that has little holes on the back so it can be hung on a wall. On the side, we have a door that has a spider web of stars with a skullette in the center. On the side, we have little compartments in varying shades of gold, yellow, and orange. Let's open it up to reveal the doll. Ooh, we get a Cleo looking to the side. On the inside of the door, there is some art with a large printed mirror that says treasure yourself. That's cute. A little skullette light ring for her cell phone. Then there's a printed image of some of her belongings at the bottom. That looks like one of those, gorganizers. Let's free the doll. She has light blue hair with gold tinsel. I like the contrast of the blue and the gold. I just can't live with tinsel. so I will be removing it. That didn't take too long, but I did like that contrast, so I'm adding a little blonde hair. I borrowed this from Rapunzel from the Disney store to give her some highlights. After rooting, you can use a little fabric glue on the inside of the head to secure it. After it dries, I do a hot water rinse to make the hair lay down to give us a Cleo with soft golden highlights without the tinsel. This Cleo comes dressed in a wrap printed top with sheer sleeves, yellow iridescent shorts that gather on the sides, and tall lace-up sandals that go from gold to orange. And there are little golden wings on the sides. This Cleo is looking to the side. She has gold glitter eyeshadow and gold glitter lipstick and is fully posable with articulation at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, chest, hip, and knee. The insert inside the coffin is removable, and there's a key coated in silver. We have to put it in water to reveal the color. It's a soft yellow, so we're going to use it to open this one because we learned that the keys match the lockers in the last video. And we're gonna open the bag that was inside to reveal a second pair of shoes that look like wraps that we can see through a little with glitter, and the bottom is gold. There's a Skullimate keyring that we can put the locker keys on, and another key. Personally, I could do without multiple keys. I would rather we got one key and then more accessories for the doll. But let's go ahead and do the next key. The water is all silvery, and the key is gold, which means this one is next. Inside we have another key and earrings, a necklace, and a gold turban. Let's just use one of the older keys to open the next locker, since they're all the same shape. And here we have a second outfit that is a skirt with a blue ribbon and a halter top with fringe, and a furry stole. We also have the final key that we can use on the bottom to see our last surprise. It's a purse that can open. There's a pen, pencil, or a lip liner, a tube of lipstick where we can remove the top, and a wrapped frozen treat. I think Monster High and Mega Gross Minis has potential to be a good combo, but you do have to find the right minis and hope that they are to scale. Even though McMaggots are a little oversized, I still plan on using them with Cleo. And now I have to figure out what to do with all these capsules. But we'll save that for next time. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mega Gross Minis and a new Cleo. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.